So, last day I'm here. Day 5 for me. It's been great working with Jack and the guys. This is the property we're working at, and hopefully I can carve out some time during the season to do this again with them. But this is my last day because I gotta get back to my clients and jobs. So hope you're enjoying this. So I figured I'd give you a quick little view of the rest of this property that we're building, this ecosystem pond. You know, it's an old house, Victorian style. It's been painted, a lot of detail work on it. They had landscaping in the front has been updated, you know, with the lion's mane, Japanese maple, boxwood hedges, plantings. They've got FX lights everywhere, all these old pines. You know, so that's the reason they're looking for this very organic looking ecosystem in the backyard. So this is the back of the house, pool that's getting a new liner currently. That's a pavilion space first. Then they've got this pergola with climbing, I think it's hydrangeas on it. Then this old barn. Tucked in behind there is our ecosystem, but this is what the rest of their property looks like. Let me know what you think. Beautiful crepe myrtle over there. The pond is all complete. The intake bed, wetlands still have to be finished up. We'll work that out. Getting them down. And then we're getting this part set. Look at the color of the rocks. We officially have water. It's gonna be like filling overnight. Coming up the waterfalls, have a bump and bump and bump down, bring that area out. Have this stay high, something back there. So the water will kind of ripple through here, drop down, hit there, dump into there. Then you have these steppers that you can stand and walk on. Across here, gotta do some small stuff on that side. And then it comes all the way down. There's aerators, aerators in there that they all come behind. Then we have putt boxes that the aerators are next to, as well as the lights. And then there's another set over here. And then our intake bay, which is here. We've got the 5,000 and 5 to 9. So if you take a look behind me, pond is filling. Waterfall behind me there is done outside of the small material. So been a very productive week. And like that, it's a wrap. It's the end for me. I'm heading home in the morning, but we got the waterfall and the stream up here substantially done. They're gonna bring in extra help tomorrow and really finish this off. We got some edge treatment done. But take a look. It was created in 5 days. And hopefully I'll be able to insert a couple pictures right here for you.